Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're going to show you how to change your earpads for the Meze 99. The Meze 99 includes multiple models like the Classic, the Neo, and the Noir. The first step is to remove the earpads. To do this, stick your fingers inside the earpad and pull away from the ear cup. The lip will come right out of the headphone. Make sure to do this for both sides. The next step is to open your new Dekoni Audio earpads. Now take your new Dekoni Audio earpads. Because both sides are the same, you can use either or earpad. Take an earpad and stick the lip into the little crevice on the headphone. Stick your fingers on the inside of the earpad and pull around the ear cup. One thing to note is that there is a stitching seam in our earpad design. You can put the stitching seam at the bottom of the ear cup for aesthetic purposes, as this has no effect on sound. Once you get all of the lip into the headphone, you can repeat this for the other side. Now, enjoy your new Dekoni Audio earpads for the Meze 99.